All right, folks, welcome to this review. This is of the Rode PSA 1 swivel mount studio microphone boom arm. Now that we've got that mouthful out of the way, let's just get straight into it. There are a million reviews on this product on YouTube. There are a million different boom arms, from the cheap newer boom arm, there's Blue Yeti, there's a ton of them. So why am I recommending this product? Well, on this channel, I just like to get into the review. I got it for £62, and that was expensive for what effectively is something to hold your microphone, as you're seeing right now in shot. So why would you go ahead and spend almost triple the price as compared to, say, one of the cheaper, newer microphone arms? Well, the truth is, those cheaper microphone arms work perfectly. There's nothing wrong with them in the sense that they will go onto your desk and they will hold your microphone like you're seeing right now. The difference with the quality of a Rode PSA 1 is that it gives you that longevity, and it gives you the sort of structural integrity and just lack of noise, and that is why I can recommend it. So I am someone that personally is always moving around my boom arm, whether I'm leaning in, whether I'm just pushing it to one side. I've got a small room, so it needs to be maneuvered. And the cheaper boom arms feel like they're going to lift out of the socket. They crank. There's that awkward springy steel noise that constantly gets picked up. If you bang it, it's sort of an awful noise. They're just generally a product that is fine if it's completely still. So if you're never a person that moves their arm and they just want to sit completely still, then you're right, you don't need this product. And I'm not here to sell you something that you don't need. I'm not paid to do this review. However, if you do move around a lot, I was surprised at how much I enjoyed the quality of what simply is a metal arm to hold a microphone. You can see here, this is the boom arm. It comes with a couple of Rode PSA straps. It also here, you can just tie your XLR cable all the way along. Now, it doesn't have the neatest of cable management. Now, this cable here that you're seeing doesn't need to be there. That's my own personal setup, because what I like to do is I just like to tuck my cable here, like so, and well, basically, I'm carrying this big stick of dynamite, which is kind of affecting it. Probably what I should do, if I was being sensible, is take that stick of dynamite, plug it into the XLR input, and then I'd have no problems. But personally, I kind of like having this red stick of dynamite on, because some people ask me about it, and it's a bit of a conversation starter. If we ignore all of the mess around the room, this is how it fits on. It has a little clamp system here that just screws onto your desk, and it locks into place with this little thing here. So you spin that round and it locks into place. Now this arm is going nowhere. You can see here, it allows you to rotate pretty much 360 degrees all the way around. So if I just spin the microphone like so, you can see that it's making pretty much no noise, and it's able to rotate the full way. Very crude fashion. You can see here that it holds the microphone with this twisting lock here, and it has the fastener that holds your microphone. And there's no problem with the quality. It's brilliant. It doesn't make any noise. It feels really, really sturdy. There is only one thing to note, and it's one tip that I don't see people giving, is when you take this thing out of the box, be careful, because it's spring-loaded, and the thing snaps open, and it's pretty dangerous. Now, what you're going to figure out next is that this microphone is super light, and this boom arm likes heavy microphones. So how do you get around that problem? Well, we just nip this here, and you can see these two, if you just see these two little fasteners here, these are, you can see here, the sort of tension on the spring. Now, what you want to do is just tighten these. These can be tightened with a tiny screwdriver, a coin, anything that just sort of fits into that gap. And then when you put your lighter microphone onto the boom arm, it won't fly up or down, and it will hold its position. Like, the best thing about this is how good it is at maintaining its position, unlike the cheaper one. So I'll just demonstrate here. So, you know, as you can see, basically, no matter where you take the product or whatever angle you're working it from, it just is super, super solid. So yeah, it's a little bit more expensive, but you get what you pay for. And I was surprised at how well the Rode microphone truly does hold up. So it's a 10 out of 10 product for me. I see no problem with it. And if you want, it comes with the option to screw it into your desk, like through the wood. And it comes with the fixtures and fittings to do so. So if you want a permanent stand, it also sort of has that option. So thanks for tuning in. Leave a like, leave a comment. Consider visiting the links in the description to help me out. Take it easy, folks.